Natural health and wellness, home remedies for a healthy life. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, Natural Health and Wellness. In today's video, we'll be exploring some amazing home remedies and natural health tips to help you lead a healthier and more vibrant life. We'll also recommend some fantastic health-related products, such as supplements, essential oils, and natural skincare products, that can support your well-being. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Ailment remedies. Host, are you tired of dealing with common ailments that seem to persist? Well, worry no more. Today, we'll discuss some effective home remedies for common ailments that you can try right at home. Remember, it's always essential to consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen. Remedy 1. Soothing sore throat. 1. Is a sore throat bothering you? Try gargling warm salt water or sipping on a soothing honey and lemon concoction to alleviate discomfort. Remedy 2. Natural cold and flu relief. 1. If you're feeling under the weather, try sipping on a hot cup of ginger tea infused with lemon and honey. 1. Ginger is known for its immune-boosting properties. Remedy 3. Calming an upset stomach. 1. Do you experience occasional tummy troubles? A cup of peppermint tea or a slice of fresh ginger can help ease indigestion and soothe an upset stomach. Segment 2. Wellness tips. In addition to tackling specific ailments, maintaining overall wellness is crucial for a healthy life. Let's explore some wellness tips that can improve your overall well-being. Tip 1. The power of hydration. 1. Host, staying hydrated is vital for good health. 1. Ensure you drink an adequate amount of water each day. 1. To add flavor and extra nutrients, infuse your water with fresh fruits and herbs. Tip 2. Prioritizing quality sleep. 1. Getting quality sleep is essential for rejuvenation and overall wellness. 1. Create a soothing bedtime routine, keep electronics out of the bedroom, and try using essential oils like lavender to promote relaxation. Tip 3. Stress management. 1. Stress can take a toll on our health. 1. Incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or practicing mindfulness to find balance in your life. Segment 3. Health-related product recommendations. Now, let's move on to our product recommendations. These health-related products can complement your journey towards natural well-being. Remember to choose products that align with your individual needs and consult professionals when necessary. Product 1. High-quality supplements. 1. We recommend exploring reputable supplement brands that offer high-quality vitamins, minerals, and herbal supplements to support your overall health. Product 2. Essential oils for wellness. 1. Essential oils have gained popularity for their various benefits. 1. Consider using lavender oil for relaxation, tea tree oil for its antimicrobial properties, or peppermint oil for natural headache relief. Product 3. Natural skincare products. 1. Take care of your skin with natural skincare products. 1. Look for options containing organic ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals. 1. Products like cleansers, moisturizers, and serums can help promote healthy skin. Conclusion. Host, that wraps up today's video on home remedies, wellness tips, and health-related product recommendations. Remember, these suggestions are meant to complement a healthy lifestyle and should not replace professional medical advice. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more natural health and wellness content. Stay healthy, be well, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any remedies or products mentioned in this video.